Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore innovative ways to build your financial future. Let us delve into the exciting world of passive income. With the cost of living rising and seemingly never-ending inflation eating away at our savings, it's becoming increasingly crucial to find alternative ways to generate income. Relying solely on a traditional 9-to-5 job might not be enough to achieve your financial goals in today's economy. That's why it's time to make your money work for you, instead of the other way around. Let's explore strategies that can help you build wealth and secure your financial future. Passive income means earning without constant effort. It's about creating systems and assets that generate revenue even when you're not actively working. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that money is flowing into your account regardless of whether you spent the day working or relaxing. That's the beauty of passive income, letting your money grow while you sleep, allowing you to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and achieve true financial freedom. Thanks to today's tech, the opportunities for generating passive income are more accessible and diverse than ever before. The digital age has opened up a world of possibilities, allowing us to leverage technology and automation to create income streams that require minimal ongoing effort. With the right strategies and tools, there are more ways than ever to build wealth passively and create a life of financial abundance. Diversifying your income streams is key to long-term financial security. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 smartest ways to earn passive income, providing you with actionable strategies and insights to help you get started on your journey to financial independence. Get ready to take notes and discover the strategies that will transform your financial future. And before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button if you're excited to learn about these amazing passive income opportunities. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Now let's explore the top 10 smartest ways to earn passive income in 2025. Let's get started. Number 10 is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it method: automated trading and robo-advisors. Platforms like eToro and Wealthfront use algorithms to invest and manage your portfolio automatically, taking the emotion and guesswork out of investing. Just answer a few questions, set your risk level, and let the bots handle the rest. Always research platforms and invest only what you can afford to lose. Number 9. We're diving into the world of automotive assets and exploring how your car, that trusty vehicle sitting in your driveway, could potentially transform into a revenue-generating machine. In today's economy, the concept of passive income is more appealing than ever. People are constantly seeking innovative ways to supplement their earnings, and your car might just be the key to unlocking a new income stream. Imagine turning your car into a cash machine. It's not just a pipe dream, it's a tangible possibility with the rise of the sharing economy and innovative advertising platforms. Your vehicle, often seen as a depreciating asset, can actually become an investment, working for you even when you're not behind the wheel. Platforms like Rapify offer a unique opportunity. They connect drivers with advertisers looking to get their message out on the streets. They pay you to wrap your car in ads, essentially turning your vehicle into a mobile billboard. The amount you earn depends on factors like your driving habits, the area you drive in, and the campaign's duration. It's a simple way to generate income while going about your daily routine. While Turo, a popular car-sharing marketplace, lets you rent out your vehicle when you're not using it. Think of it as Airbnb, but for cars. You set your own rates, availability, and rules, giving you complete control over your listing. This can be a great option if you have a spare car or if you frequently travel and leave your car unused for extended periods. You can also lease your car to rideshare drivers, providing them with a vehicle to earn their own income. This is facilitated through platforms like GetAround or HireCar, which specialize in connecting car owners with rideshare drivers in need of a vehicle. This option can provide a more consistent income stream compared to renting out your car on Turo. These platforms handle logistics including insurance verification, payment processing, and customer support, so you just collect the income. They streamline the entire process, making it easier than ever to turn your car into a revenue-generating asset. Before you start, research insurance policies and requirements carefully. Understand the coverage provided by the platform and consider supplemental insurance to protect yourself against potential liabilities. Make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved, including potential wear and tear on your vehicle and the possibility of accidents. Why let your car sit idle, depreciating in value, when it could be earning for you? Explore these options, do your due diligence, and unlock the potential of your four-wheeled asset. It might just be the gold mine on wheels you've been looking for. Number 8. Dividend stocks and high-yield ETFs. Invest in companies that pay you a share of their profits or buy ETFs like VIGI for instant diversification. Reinvest your dividends to grow your wealth over time. Not all stocks are equal, so research and diversify. Consider consulting a financial advisor before investing. Number 7. Turn unused space into income. List a spare room on Airbnb, rent your garage as storage on Neighbor.com, or offer your driveway as a parking spot with Spot Hero. Prefer long-term? Try Zillow or Apartments.com. Always check local regulations and prioritize safety. Your extra space could be your next income stream. Number 6. Become the bank with peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club let you fund loans and earn interest, while Kiva lets you support entrepreneurs worldwide. Diversify across multiple loans to manage risk. Research thoroughly and understand the risks before investing. Peer-to-peer lending can offer higher returns, but always invest wisely. Number 5. Create and sell digital products. Package your expertise into ebooks, courses, or templates and sell them on Amazon KDP, Udemy, or Teachable. Once created, digital products can sell endlessly with no extra work. Identify a market need and market your product effectively. Turn your knowledge into a steady stream of passive income. Number 4. License your creative work for royalties. Photographers can earn from stock sites like Shutterstock, musicians from platforms like Audio Jungle, and artists from Redbubble or Printful. Focus on high-quality, in-demand work to maximize earnings. Understand licensing agreements and promote your portfolio. Let your creativity pay you, even while you sleep. Number 3. Affiliate marketing and niche blogging. Recommend products you love, share affiliate links, and earn commissions on every sale. Amazon associates and networks like ShareASale offer endless options. Create valuable content and be transparent with your audience. Monetize your passion and online presence with affiliate marketing. Number 2. Flip websites for profit. Buy undervalued sites on Flippa, improve them, and sell for a higher price. Leverage existing traffic and revenue streams instead of starting from scratch. Do your due diligence before buying and be ready to put in some work. Website flipping can be a lucrative way to build passive income. And finally, number 1. Vending machines and laundromats. These classic businesses offer steady, mostly passive income with the right location. Vending machines need restocking. Laundromats require more investment but can yield higher returns. Choose high traffic spots and consider extra services for more profit. Old school, but still a smart way to earn passively. There you have it. A world of opportunity awaits you. The journey to financial freedom might seem daunting, but it's absolutely achievable with the right strategies and a bit of dedication. That's right, you can start building your passive income streams without sacrificing your current job or lifestyle. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine earning money while you're on vacation, spending time with family, or simply relaxing at home. It's about creating systems that work for you, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what truly matters.